Kittl new text effect updates. Hi everyone and thanks for joining me on this video. Today I'm going to show you the new text effects in Kittl. They just announced them. So let's get straight to Kittl and I'm going to show you what I mean. I have artboard open. Let's go to text. I can use the headlines or the preset text from Kittl. Let's open this one. I will ungroup with Ctrl G, and now let's do like this, a little bit bigger. So the old text effects, they are like transformation. We can make this bigger, let's say 100, make it bigger. We need to make this 100. Okay, and from here we can make curved text. We can do arch, race, wave, flag, or we can change the weight of the text. So this is the old way. So let me show you the new features. Now we can change the letters. Let's say we want this S to be in different font. Just grab this letter, go on fonts, and we can change the font. We can also change the weight with the scroll of the mouse, or we can type like the number, let's say 175, and there you go. Let's say this M, we want to make it this font, and it's going to be uppercase. We can change the upper and lowercase. We can add space from here between the letters, and we can type, let's say 50. Also we can change, let me restretch this, make it in the center. We can change the color. Let's say we want this letter to be something in this color, like this, and this one is going to be blue, like this. And we also want this letter, there is no lowercase here, but we want the font to be, let's say, Magic Vintage. This is from my uploaded fonts. Let's use only Kittl fonts. I will scroll. This is my fonts from Creative Fabrica. Come on. Let's use some of these fonts or handmade. Let's say this one. We want this letter to be 250 size. 250. Okay. And we want this one. We can also change the weight. Let me show you. I just need, let's check this font. Yes, so let's say I want this word to be bold, and this one to be black italic. You can see, you can play with everything. Here we've got 3 lines of text. We can grab just the middle line. There you go. And we can space the letters. So let me recap. Oh, also, if we have font which is, let me show you, let's remove this one. I will open one headline. When we open the fonts from here, we've got variables. When we open these fonts, let's say we want to use this one, grab the word, and from here, from variables, we can, just a sec, we can make this font bigger or smaller, and also we can grab just one letter and make it bigger, like, just a sec, this one, and from here make it bigger. And let's say we want the last word to be uppercase, to be red, and 150. And also from here I can size the letter. And the middle line, I think from here, yes, from here we can space the space between the lines. So that's it for today's, guys. It was short video, but I think these text effects, they are amazing. We can change the size, we can change the color, we can change the weight, we can make it upper and lower cases, we can space the lines between if we've got lots of text. We can play with the text how we want. So with that being said, guys, I hope this video was helpful for you and you learned something new from me. If so, hit the subscribe button and notification bell. I will highly appreciate this. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.